by transformation. I have already gone through methods of transformation. We have solved some integration problem, and today we are going to transform trigonometric function so that we can do integration easily. So here we have integration by transformation technique, and this transformation technique is going to apply it over trigonometric functions. Whenever you will see that there is a complex trigonometric function, okay, under the integration, so that time it is difficult to solve the integration. But if we do some transformation of that trigonometric function, so we can easily do the integration process. So let's do it. Here we have one question, that is root under dx by 1 plus cos x. So we are having this problem. You can see here we have one problem, that one I'm giving here. Integration, we have integration dx upon 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x, very important question. Everywhere you will find whenever you are solving integration related to your transformation, so that time this kind of question will be there. So I have a two technique to solve this one. You can solve a question any ways, but I have here two ways to solve this kind of question. Here you are seeing that 1 plus cos x in the denominator, okay, and we know that here there is no possibility to do this integration directly. So what we can do, either I can do rationalization, or either I can solve this one with the help of formula. So I'm just going to use this formula. We know that cos 2x is equal to 1, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. I can use this formula, right? So this will be 2 cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So here you are seeing that we have what we have here, x, and here we have 2x as a parameter for this, but we need to have only 1 plus cos 2x. Here we have 1 plus cos x. If we compare this one, you will find that here we have only x and here we have 2x, so it is 2 times. So we need to do one thing. If I'm writing, if I'm writing 1 plus cos x, so this x is just half of this 2x, so I can write here 2 cos square and half of this x, that is x upon 2. So I can replace 1 plus cos x easily with 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Here, okay, integration and then dx and 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x can be replaced by 2 cos square then x by 2, and you can easily see that 1 upon cos square is coming here, 1 plus cos square x by 2 is coming here. So we know that 1 plus cos square x is what, sec square x, and 1 by 2 is constant term, so I'm putting this 1 by 2 outside of this integration, and we have dx, then this is what, cos square x by 2, right? And now we have this 1 upon 2, and then this 1 upon cos square x can be write as integration, and this one will be sec square x by 2 and then dx, right? Now it is easier to find out the integration because we know that sec square x is what giving us 10x. So here we have integration of sec square x by 2. I can write easily integration integration sec square x will give us 10x. So here 10 x by 2, and you can see that x is just coefficient having 1 by 2, so I can divide it 1 by 2 over here. 1 by 2 I'm just dividing over here, and then I am applying constant c over here. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me, you can just do a comment. You can write the comment in the comment box. Yeah, so this one will be 1 by 2, so this 2 will go up here, and we have 10 x by 2 plus c. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel, and we have only 10 x by 2 plus c. So this is the integration of this integration dx by 1 plus cos x, and this one is very very important. Okay, so you can just remember it, integration 1 upon cos x plus 1 dx is giving you 10 x by 2 plus c. So this one is the first technique, okay, to conquer this problem, and we are going to have another method. So I'm writing my another method. You can see, you can have here, look, second method, that one was your first method, this one is your second method. I'm just going to do rationalization. So dx, and then 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x into here 1, if 1 plus is there, I can write 1 minus cos x. Okay, doing rationalization is easy. You will see that, okay, between two terms we have a plus, so that is going to be changed with minus. If it will be minus, then it will be plus, and whatever I'm just writing here, that should be put it over here, 1 minus cos x. Same thing I'm just putting here. Okay, same thing I need to put. You have doubt, you can just ask me. Your comments are welcome. You can have a comment. Now I can easily do this a plus b, and this can be considered as a minus b, so that will be here in this format, a plus b, and here a minus b. So this will be a square minus b square, I can write here. So integration then dx, and 1 minus cos x, then we have here 1 minus cos square x, cos square x. Clear? Now look, this is what integration dx, and here 1 minus cos x, and 1 minus cos square x is what? This is what? Sin square x, right? I can write sin square x. So this is sin square x. Now I can easily see that 1 upon sin square x, and then cos x by sin square x. I can that split. Let's do it. Here I can write integration 1 upon sin square x minus cos x divided by sin square x, then here dx, then dx. Okay, so this one was there. Now this is integration 1 upon sin square will be cos square x minus cos, I can write this one in this format, cos x by sin x into sin x. into sin x then dx. This further is what, you know, cos x by sin x is cot x and 1 by sin x is cosec x. So I can write here integration cosec square x into dx minus this minus, and then cos x by sin x is what, cot x, and or 1 upon sin x is what, cosec x. So here cosec x into cot x dx into dx, I can write this, and you will see that here we have, no, cosec x square x is what, minus cot x. This integration will give us, okay, minus cot x, then minus here cosec x, right? So here negative cosec x, and on the last we have plus c. So we can easily see that we have here negative, so this minus cot x, then minus minus plus, so we have here cosec x plus c. So we can see that this term we are getting here, okay, and previously we are having this one, that is, 10x, okay, 10x by 2 plus c, both are same, over here. Yeah, you can see 10x by 2, 10x by 2 plus c, both are same, right? If you solve this one, you can find both are same. If you have any kind of doubt, you can just ask me. Hello. If you have further any comment, just write to me in the comment box. We have another question, that is integration dx divided by 1 minus sin x. We are going to do, okay, let's do. If you know the solution, you can just write me in the comment what is the final result, or are you not, suppose you are not satisfied with the answer, just you can, okay, write your own answer in the comment box. That will be appreciable. And you know, anything you can just ask related to this question. So we have another practice do here. I have one question, that this question is what, integration then dx upon 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x is there. So you can see this one, 1 minus sin x, so it is what, this sign could be, cos, then we can do the integration easily. So let's convert this sign. We know that sine is what, sin x is related to your cos, in terms of, cos pi by 2 minus x. I can write cos pi by 2 minus x. So this is what, sin x. So I'm going to use this one. So this sin x will be substituted by cos pi by 2 minus x. Let's do here. So we have integration then dx and 1 minus sin x is what, cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so here we have integration then dx 1 minus cos x is what, we know that one formula we have, that is cos, suppose cos 2x is there, so we'll having that 1 minus 2 sin square 2 sin square x, right? It is just, half, this 2x is there, here half we have, or we can say that this, 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x. So I can easily say that this sin square is, okay, is this one I'm just going to use over here. So here you have 1 minus cos pi by 2x. So this is what 1 minus cos pi by 2x is giving here. Okay, this can be related to here 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x, 1 minus cos 2x. So instead of 2x, we have here pi by 2 minus x. Okay, pi by 2 minus x. I can put there. Let's do it. So here, okay, and it is what? Half. This x is just half of this. So if I'm putting 2 sine square and okay 1 minus cos, instead of 2x I can put here cos pi by 2 minus x, so half of this, so it will be pi by 2 minus x and half of this. So this will be 2 sine square pi by 2 divided by 2 is pi by 4, so pi by 4 minus x by 2, and here we have 1 minus, here we have 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x. I can use this one here. Let's convert this one. 1 minus cos 1 minus cos pi by 2x is going to be changed here, that is 2 sine square, then pi by 2, pi by 4, so here pi by 4 and minus x by 2 here. Okay, so here we have integration 1 upon 2, then we have integration dx upon sine square pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, that is going to be solved further here. I can have this as 1 upon sine square is what? Cos square x. And cos square x, integration of cos square x is what? Negative of cot x. So that concept will be applicable here. Okay, so here I'm just use that 1 upon 2, then integration, this will be cos square cosec square pi by 4 minus x by 2, then dx, right, then dx. So we have here, we know that integration of cosec square x is what? Negative of cot x. We know that integration of cosec square x into dx is what? Negative of cot x plus c. So I'm going to use this concept here, and you are seeing that the coefficient of x is what? Minus 1 by 2, so that is going to use over here. This coefficient minus 1 by 2 is going to be used to divide the integration here. So let's do here 1 upon 2 I can write, and cos square is going to replace it minus cot x. So instead of x we have here pi upon 4 minus we have here x upon 2, and then I'm just dividing this, okay, 1 with the coefficient of x, that over here minus 1 upon 2, and we have k plus c. So you will see that this negative is going to multiply over here, and this 1 upon 2, so 1 by 2 is going to multiply with 2, so here this 2 will go up, and negative positive, then cot pi upon 4 minus x by 2 plus c. So we have those two cancels, we have negative positive, so we have cot, no need to write positive, so here cot pi upon 4 minus x by 2 plus c, and this is what? Solution of this problem, right? So this is the way to calculate. Whenever you will see that 1 minus sine x, so this sign should be converted into cos, and then we can easily calculate our integration. Hi everyone. If you have a further any kind of suggestion, you can give me in the comment box. If you like this one, please like and share among friends, your friends. You are going to learn transformation, the integration by transformation. So this problem, 1 minus, integration dx 1 minus sine x. This can be solved also by multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus sine x. So rationalization technique I can apply here in this way, that is dx, okay, 1 minus sine x, 1 minus sine x and 1 plus sine x. If I'm writing here, I can write 1 plus sine x over here. So this is the way, another way to solve the above problem. Let's do it. Here what I'm just going to do, okay, I'm just going to do rationalization. So here rationalization a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So here 1 minus sine square x, and then we have here 1 plus sine x into dx, and integration sign is here. You have any doubt? Now you want to ask anything? No? If you don't ask, please like. Okay, it is upon you, I'm not telling forcefully. So here integration 1 plus sine x dx, and then we have here 1 minus sine square x is what? Cos square x. So here cos square x you are getting, right? And now it's easy to split it down. 1 by cos square x will be sec square x. We know that sec square x integration of sec square x is what? 10x. And here you are getting sin x by cos square x, sin x by cos x into 1 upon cos x. So here we have 10x into sec x, and we know that 10x into sec x, integration of 10x into sec x will give you sec x. So let's do it. Here I can split it down. 1 by cos square, 1 by cos square x plus sin x by cos square x, and then okay dx. So here it will be sec square x, and here we have sin x by cos x into cos x, then dx. So here integration sec square x into dx plus integration sin x by cos x into 1 upon cos x into dx plus c. So sec square x is what? 10x. Sec square x, integration of sec square x is what? 10x. Very easy. And this will be integration of sin x by cos x, can be written as 10x, and 1 by cos x is sec x. So I'm writing here sec x into 10x. Easy way to write sec x